applying face mask into my face. That's the ocean sea. It's the ocean sea. I'm just going for a shower. So, no. I put too much. See mask in my face. My camera, my video camera is not clear. That's why it's not showing clearly. I'm going to go for a shower. Connectivity on. So let's see. I'm going to wash my face now.